Alexander Bedward the Jamaican prophet from Town. Welcome back to Jamaica Bulletin Board. In this bulletin, we talk about the enigmatic journey of Alexander Bedward, the prophet of Town. Alexander Bedward, born in 1848 in Saint Andrew Parish, Jamaica, is one of the most intriguing and controversial figures in Jamaican history. His life story is a blend of mysticism, rebellion, and unwavering faith, making him a legendary figure in Jamaican folklore. Bedward's early life was marked by hardship and resilience. In his 20s, he worked on the construction of the Panama Canal, where he faced harsh working conditions and racial discrimination. This experience profoundly impacted him, shaping his views on social justice and equality. Upon returning to Jamaica, Bedward experienced a mystical conversion that led him to join the Native Baptist Church movement. In 1891, he assumed leadership over the Saint Andrew Baptist community in Town. Bedward's charismatic preaching and healing ministry quickly gained him a large following. He believed that the waters of the Hope River had miraculous properties and conducted healing rituals there, drawing thousands of followers. Bedward's sermons were not just about spiritual healing, they were also fiery calls for social justice. He identified with Paul Bogle, the leader of the Morant Bay Rebellion, and often spoke out against the inequalities in Jamaican society. His radical views and growing influence made him a target for the colonial authorities. In 1895, Bedward was arrested for sedition after delivering a prophecy that called for the overthrow of the colonial government. He was declared insane and confined to a mental asylum. However, with the help of a sympathetic lawyer, he was released after a month. Despite this setback, Bedward's movement continued to grow, attracting around 30,000 followers at its peak. One of the most famous and controversial episodes in Bedward's life occurred on New Year's Eve of 1920. Bedward climbed a tree, claiming that he would ascend to heaven before sunset. Thousands of his followers gathered to witness the event. When the ascension did not occur, Bedward's credibility was severely damaged, and he was once again confined to a mental asylum. Despite the controversies, Bedward's legacy endures. He is remembered as a pioneer of Jamaican revivalism and a forerunner of Marcus Garvey's Pan-Africanism. His movement laid the foundation for later Black nationalist movements and brought revivalism to national prominence. Alexander Bedward's life is a testament to the power of faith, resilience, and the enduring struggle for social justice. His story continues to inspire and intrigue, making him a legendary figure in Jamaican history. That's all for now. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next upload.